This tutorial introduces functions and recursive techniques. Please watch part 1 of this video if you haven't done so already. The topics that will be covered are recursive functions. Recursive functions. We have mentioned recursive functions previously. A recursive function is one who invokes itself in its body. Recursive functions can be split into the base case and the invocation of itself. Let us look at an example. We require to write a function to evaluate the factorial of an integer passed as a parameter. Let us start with our function definition. Remember, the recursive function's body must contain the base case and the invocation of said function. We call the factorial of a number is the number by the number -1, by the number -2 and so on, until the number -n is 1. We can use recursive functions to evaluate this. The base case. When the number -n is 1, we would like to return 1 as the factorial of 1 is 1. Otherwise, we return the number by the factorial of the number -1. Let us examine this code further. Say we would like to know the factorial of 4. Initially our parameter x is 4. The base case is skipped and would therefore like to return x by x-1 factorial. Now before we return, the function invokes itself to evaluate x-1 factorial, which is 3 factorial. The same process is repeated. It skips the base case and invokes itself to find x-2 factorial, which is 2 factorial. Again, the function skips the base case and invokes itself to evaluate x-3 factorial, which is 1 factorial. The base case is not skipped and 1 is returned. Therefore our final result is 4 by 3 by 2 by 1, which is 4 factorial. Thank you for taking time to watch this tutorial. I hope it was informative.